Hi everybody. Welcome to this tutorial video for this for digital Q&A systems. So as you can see that this system is part of the many products and services or series of services that we have for these events to spice up your all your events. We have the events management system, which you can check out the video. We have the live lucky draw. We have the award display. All right. We have the voting and polling system through WhatsApp. We have the Q&A, which is I'm going to share with you right now, and we have the pictures or greetings slideshow through the WhatsApp as well. So feel free to have a look at the other systems that can help to spice up all your events or all your meetings, right? To for ease of communications between you and the audience. All right. So now I'm going to share with you about these Q&A sessions, right? So as you know that Q&A can be quite a challenge where, well, you can ask people to stand up and you can pass the mic here and there and ask them to ask the questions. But nowadays, many people just too shy to stand up and ask the questions, and also it will take time to pass the mic and so on. So we have a system where the audience can just simply WhatsApp to you. All right. Now, so how this system works? All right, it's very easy. So there is a page to shown to the audience. All right, as you can see here, what you need is you just need a laptop or PC that you will connect to the projectors. All right, that will project the page. All right, which is the Chrome browsers, and you open up the link that we give it to you. So you can call this link as a TV link. Okay. Of course, you can put it on the full screen mode. You press F11 of your Chrome browsers, and then it will show the full screen. You can change everything here. You can change the logo. You can change the title. You can change the QR code. You can change the instructions and the background. Right. So this is the page. All right. To shown to the audience. It's just a normal hyperlink. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. All right. Now, so on the other hand, on the other device, you can use your phone, or you can just use a tablet or another laptop as well. All right. So you just uh, log into the admin portals. We will give it to you, the login username and password. All right. For this demo, I'm going to log in. Now, so once you log in, so under the WhatsApp menu on the left menu, you just go to the slideshow or Q&A. So this is where you're going to change. You can change the title. All right. So for example, so I'm going to 2024, and you can put the instruction for people to WhatsApp to you. Okay. So you will change, and so you just put the instruction there. You can change the size, the color, the footnote, the background image. All right. This is the background image. You can put the logo. All right. So the logo. This is the logo for this on the top here, and this is the pictures for this QR code. Okay, so that's all. So you just prepare everything, and this is the WhatsApp numbers, of course. All right, so all of this we will set up for you nicely, so you don't need to worry. The table font size and so on. All right, now, so these are all the standard settings you can change. Then you just click save. Okay, then you just refresh the page. As you can see, it's changed. Okay, that easy. All right. So now the idea is you just shown the audience this page. You can ask them to just scan this QR code. Okay, I put it in the full screen mode. You can just ask them to scan this QR code, where this QR code is the direct go to the WhatsApp. So they don't need to save your contact at all. They just scan, and then they can WhatsApp to you. So you can ask everybody to scan and WhatsApp their questions to these numbers. All right. So for examples, what you need to do, all right, after you set up everything nicely, you just need to go to the WhatsApp chat. So at this WhatsApp chat page, you can see your QR code. This is the same QR code that you put it here to let people scan. So this is your WhatsApp numbers. Okay, so that's all. So you just ask people to scan this QR code, and audience to scan this QR code and WhatsApp to you. And once the WhatsApps come in, you will see inside this chat box. These are all the incoming WhatsApp. It's live. Okay, and what you need to do is you just need to click push to slideshow. So you need to vet which questions that you want to answer. All right, so you can use the tablet to log into these portals, and you can let the moderators choose which one they want to push to the big screen. For example, so I want to push this these questions to the big screen. You just click push to slideshow. Once I click push, as you can see here, okay, on the TV side, it will show the questions. Okay, that's all. So the moderators or the panelists can start to answer the questions. All right, of course you can change the font size and so on, all of this, right, in the setting page. All right, so once you're done, then you can choose whichever you like, and you can push to slideshow again. For example, this question: analyze the impact of the tariff on international trade. I just click push, and it will change. So you can take your times to answer the each of the questions, and you just need to click push in order to push it to the big screen. So if you want to see, you can click at each of uh, the senders, and you can see there are more. They might send more than one questions. Okay, for example, so I want to push this question. What are the main factors that contribute something? So you just click push. Okay, then it will show on the big screen, and so on and so forth. So that's simple. So once again, so there's a page for you to show it to the audience. You just use laptops that connected to the internet and open this link, and you just press F11 to go for full screen, and you use another tablet or phone or laptops to go to log into these portals, and you just go to the slideshow Q&A and change all the settings that you want. Once done, you just wait for the WhatsApp to comes in at the WhatsApp chat page. And once the questions comes in, you can just click push to slideshow. That simple. That's all. All right. So contact us for digitals if you want to set up these Q&A systems. All right. And we can set up in minutes, and you can start to use it live anywhere you want. So there's no more passing of mic around. There's no more passing of notes around, right? So this is live. Everything is live, and it's easier than the mic and the papers methods. All right. So if you want to export the questionnaires, you can just simply click export here, export all, then you can export to Excel. That's simple. And if you want to publish all the questions online, we leave it to you. So these are all the questions come in, the incoming WhatsApp. Okay, and you can also set the auto reply. Here we have a generic auto reply. So that's mean when somebody WhatsApp in the questions, the questionnaires, they will get the auto reply. It's very nice. It's instant auto reply. So you can put as long as you want. You can put like thank you for your questionnaires. We are sorry that we might not unable to answer every questions due to the time limit, and so on and so forth. You can put whatever you want, right? And you can even insert a pictures like your company logo or the brochures or the whatever you want. All right. So that's all. That's this Ford Digital live Q&A system. Thank you.